Wessy Wessy, I am sorry, I never do it again. When me get up, people get in on my head, make me I say them things. I am sorry.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. We don't know that one here come on for the cup, hot steam, cup of tea. You see me, Michael Jackson live video. I talk about a bag of sitting and oh, what really happened, you see me? Yeah, so the brother here, Wessy Wessy, I'm manager, ex-manager, and the way the man behave it, obvious so the dog been a clown out the dog. And two of the dog treat him and him not so educated. You see me, I can see say it's not a good person.
Yo, hold on the mic, don't sit down. Dog, don't, when I move out the camera, make the camera see. Make it see this, no, make it see this. Wanna go down? Mike, where you going with?
There, man.
John no star, it's like, the first time you fouled over here, how long ago was that? But sometime last year. Yeah, and you kind of did shy, but no, you know, mature, you know, look a bit. Yeah, you may like that though. Everything alright? Nah, yeah. You not hear me?
Eh?
You not hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me now?
Yeah.
No, I mean I say, the first time you fouled over here, I did last year. Remember the time?
Yeah.
And them time you kind of did shy, but
Yeah.
no, you know, you grew up and mature, you know. Welcome again though.
Yeah.
So, I ask you a
Yeah.
question. How is the pandemic and lockdown treating you?
Wessy, have me over there long enough. Lock me up over there. Go long.
Say my the man lock you up over there. Alright, let me say to you now, Michael. Michael, you hear me?
Yeah.
First thing first, don't come on the live and tell a lie on Wessy Wessy.
No,
Hold on. Listen. Don't come on the live. No, people, listen me carefully. Don't come on the live and tell a lie on Wessy Wessy or make people tell you things. You understand me? You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but me see a video trap say him not treat you right, and then after me see a next video trap say I lied him that tell. All that.
You know some day ago, me yard, when I woman grow him, hold me up with a piece of board and bring me in the yard and bring me in the house and tell me to apologize to you. I'm never the one say it in a lava.
Well, I do. So yeah, I say, well, woman, we know Wessy Wessy.
Yeah, good boy.
Stop you with a big piece of board.
Hold me with a long piece of board and bring me in the yard and bring me in the house and tell him to say sorry.
Hey, listen to me, man. Ashensi attack and chat and laugh is not a safe place.
Yo.
I'm never the one say it, you know.
Yo, that was that. So, shall you create the board?
No.
So, alright then, you walk go about. So what? You walk go about your waist. Explain to me what happened at the time.
Yeah, me there got me yard. And me yard there go.
Right.
Because a curfew come there got me yard.
Right.
And she hold me in one long piece of wood and bring me in the yard.
Oh, she hold it by your collar, hold it by your hand.
Never leave her say.
She hold it by your collar or she hold it by your hand or what? What she do?
Yeah, by my hand.
And walk in and say, and she body up.
Yeah.
How she talk to you?
Wicked too.
How she talk to you?
Hey boy, apologize to Wessy Wessy. I'm never the one say it.
So when you say it, what happened after?
It they all over. And then people start bash me now.
So basically, then now That last video is a lie then. So you catch a free then?
Yeah.
Okay. And sharp. So okay. So it's a big board.
Yeah.
Okay. I continue then. So you make the apology and
Right now. But right now me at work.
Oh, you at work now?
Yeah.
So I ask you a question.
Drywall work. Drywall work.
Oh, drywall. You must say to you. I'm gonna say to you. You can't keep on a change IG page how much so much different time. So your IG page how much followers on it. Who have that page?
Manager, Wessy Wessy. I have the whole of them. Anytime when me I go show everywhere, Portland country, or when me I dance, I collect the whole of my money. I'm not giving no money at all. And him say I look for my TRA, passport, age paper. I'm not look for them. I'm more come a foreign come meet you.
Jano Star. Jano to blood.
I have me over there all long. I'm can't come a road. If no one I'm going away, I'm boss.
But your star,
yeah,
but your star still starting to really walk up and down still, you know, you understand me? But I understand.
Yeah, I understand, boss.
But him treat you good though. Even if you don't want you go now, him still treat you good.
No, indeed, my bad.
Beat you?
Not in the line, my bad.
Beat you?
No.
But you get good food for eat and him something do.
Yeah, him give me food feed though. But otherwise him not give me no money at all. And him not buy nothing for me. You see, thing them where you see me when me get a promotion and ask me do and get them.
Yeah.
My birthday no name quick. And me and him are roll from long time, you know. And him come take work from him. Me and my birthday quick. I do some work. You see it?
Yeah.
And him come take work from him. And when him take work from him say I look for something for me. I know him not do nothing for me. Lava. Not do nothing for me.
I said this to you already, I'm going to say it again. Hope you're not telling a lie upon the man and you're not mean nobody.
No, I'm not telling a lie. Not telling a lie.
Blood, that bad. No, take a bad, I can flash here again. Take a bad ad, put on bad ad, put on bad ad, put on bad ad. Yeah, and take it off and just flash it again.
Yeah, just a face. I would have master.
No. So when a woman back up with the board, you contact Wessy Wessy about that?
No.
You know the woman name back up with the board?
Yeah, she named Carol. She and her daughter.
You must sit here.
Yeah. And if a body at tease me on it.
I ask you a question.
You know?
Listen. You believe in a God?
Yeah.
You believe in a God?
Yeah.
You believe in a God, right?
Yeah.
Listen what I'm saying to you.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, don't look at nobody looking at the camera. Look at me. And don't look at nobody. Listen me carefully.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, if you tell these lies on people, you are going to hell. See the Bible here. the woman back up with the board until if you do that?
Yeah, lava, I'm not saying a lie.
And the Bible, you swear.
Yeah.
The woman will know Wessy Wessy back you up in the shed her daughter until if you apologize. I know.
Yeah.
So that was a big scam and a big lie to do for she make do for the world, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, people want to buy some more badge. Buy the badge them people. Buy the badges them. Buy the badge them people. Buy the badge them. God, this looks sticky in the night. Buy the badge them. Nearly 7,000 people over here. Buy the badge them people. Buy the badge them.
Everybody tease me on it.
Tease them over.
Oh, I am sorry. Everybody tease me on it.
What if I say I am sorry?
Yeah.
I said them call it say I am sorry.
Yeah.
Jamaicans, man. Good night, Wessy Wessy. Wessy Wessy. Wessy Wessy.
Lava.
Where you going? You hear me?
Yeah.
Say you going. You think alright?
If Michael spell money, make him 100,000 now.
So all spellings come like this now, Wessy Wessy. No, Wessy, all spellings come like this.
Because them a try to put some, I show them some make you can go harder. And all of
No,
them
we're not
are
coming to
done.
spellings like this.
Okay.
So I ask you a question now.
Yeah.
Remember when I saw the video when him say some of the force him possess all these people in him head, remember? I Wessy Wessy ever treat him now, you remember?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, remember everything, Lava.
Alright then. So you never tell me say it's a woman force him with a big boat to make that video there.
So, Lava, if a woman force him to do that video there, why am not come out and talk so people can know, say, yo, a woman force him to do that
He might
video
talk, no, I'm asking a question. Did you know it's a woman force him or a lie? Or you know, or you get that video there? Or you get that video because you the blast.
Lava, the video that all over social media. The video that all about. Everybody have it. See?
Right.
And from this little boy, the day again, I don't see him all now till one party will keep on again with it. I just try to avoid it. I don't see him. I don't deal with him. I don't try to reach out to him. I just leave it alone. Because I have bigger things to deal with.
Alright then. Did they promise him about passport, TRN, such and such? You say you're going to deal with it?
No, I promise him about the passport. I don't promise him about TRN and NAS. When you look NAS and work, you going to look. So the people that around him will tell him that. They must have
So, alright, you promise him passport, or him never get the passport?
Lava, the place locked down, I'm here with the place open back for everything. The passport can do it anytime. The passport office, I don't think so.
Alright, next thing again now, him say when him work, you know, give him the money and the things, clothes him get, I will get off like a promotional video.
Lava, which time work to get money? Who keep the show? Who book him? Which time work? Who pay to come see him? And then look boy I got tax and fee money by my car. Where you get money from? Who book you?
No, we're not talking about car. What about
that Lava. Let him come.
No, him not mention that on the live.
Him mention
what about this?
With them tell me put up.
I'm a passport. I'm a TRN.
I don't want to talk to you because you know the sense. I should even up on your life because you below my standard.
No, Wessy, that's all right. No, Wessy, that's sound so Wessy. You know me rate, Wessy, that's sound away there.
Yeah, I know you rate me, Lava, but them look at you that can't.
But that's sound away, that's sound away there.
And I'm me.
Don't sound away there, Wessy.
Make people know them look at you, Jack. Right?
Because people are say passport office never lock. Them a type of the was your passport office never did that during the times.
No.
Yeah.
And I tell you that. And I tell you that passport office never open the time, but passport at the least. Them thing at the least. That's it can't mean a 1 day lava. If you pay it can't mean a 1 day one depend on how you pay for it. That's at the least. But I wait to pray for back.
No, but so what I'm asking a question again. How long ago only come back chat and laugh? Remember the time you come back chat and laugh? The first time, how long ago was that?
About a year.
Long time that, you know. Right.
Yeah, about a
So
year
you
ago.
couldn't get a passport?
Where's it?
No, I couldn't get a passport.
Lava, I said the passport was the least of his problem. That can't mean a 1 day. And the guy the place lockdown can't stop me from getting a passport. We have bigger things.
So one thing birth paper.
Where's it?
One thing birth paper.
When we that try to search him birth paper and grandmother tell me that she have it out of Mattis Lane. That's the reason why we stopped the search. Because me and some people did the search to find it. Go to the hospital when man go get all the name when that is not my work.
Yeah, that's your work, Wessy. That's your work.
I was doing it, Lava.
No, Wessy, it's a don't say, listen. That is your work. You're a manager.
Yeah.
You have to make sure that all of that set. You get where I come from?
Listen,
listen what I'm saying to you. When me manage mackerel and mackerel deal a passport, I have to take up a ras a man in the morning or whatever and cut it and go sort out that. Come and make sure so them have the money and make sure they get up. And when them reach it, them have to come and say them dead and all the procedure will go through. Me have to know everything will go through. So that's your work.
Yeah.
Your work that, bro. You get where I come from?
Yeah, Lava. I'm going to spend money to more.
Huh?
I'm going to spend money to more. What I'm saying? M-O-N-E-Y.
Yo, I get that. Be careful about that, be careful about that.
Lava.
Yo, I think I spill money. Yo, where's the Michael?
Lava.
Michael, where's the Michael? Where's the can spell money?
Yeah.
Spell money again.
M-O-N-E-Y.
Yeah, me. Pussy clad, yeah. Man can spell money. I must say, you know, Wessy. Question, one more question. The man said he don't want to free up him IG page.
Yeah.
So how you not give back him IG page?
Listen to Lava.
Your phone a mess up.
Yeah, my wife are good. Yeah, listen to me good now?
Yeah. But I remember say you want to spin up the Michael Jackson, everything where Michael Jackson, all right.
Did you hear when I come out and say anybody is managing Jackson, come forward and make it an Instagram page before all of this thing? Did you remember? Did you remember? Me never follow them something. So I'm not going to say a lie, I'm not going to say a true. Okay. Till all of this, ask him or who they run him out to the Instagram account make. Who for email, who make it, who put it together. Watch me and them, you know. Ask them that, you know. And the next thing, ask Michael Jackson, the slippers them have on, who for one them get this from. I clear the year now. Mr. Shwes will be a line material. Michael Jackson, the slippers where you put on. Who for slippers? Where get it from?
In the video?
Yeah. Who for slippers? Where get it from? Let me Shwes will line material. Who for slippers? Where get the slippers from?
So me I said it.
I'm talking to Lava. I chat to Lava, you know. Please, Lava, me I beg you do. Me prove them wrong. Jackson, the car me have a over one.
Me no know.
But I hear money buy it, so you don't know. You just me buy one more yesterday. Look on me Instagram. Just buy one more, you know. So I told me gone now, you know. You see you look at you. You see you look at you. The first day we come and chat and laugh. Laugh and tell you, say you. Easy. Have patience. Have patience. Nobody
I ask you a question. Hold on. What's it? The slippers them have on him say, are your daughter one? Are your daughter slippers?
live with me. Lava.
So the one girl slippers him have on?
Ask me if my daughter live with me now.
So I ask you. Michael, where you get the slippers? Where you get the slippers from?
I'm not a slipper, right over there.
Where get it from? Where get it from?
Where you get the slippers from?
Where you get it from?
Over yard.
Eh?
Where you get it from?
Over yard.
Over from yard?
Who give?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who give a put
Man
on?
sing it over yard.
So why you? So if you say slippers in my yard, why you take it up on me? People they say you better wear that slippers.
So I ask you a question. Michael. Wessy. Michael, you'd have different shoes at the time for yourself. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I ask you, who give you the sin?
Over yard, the slippers you come from.